What's up traders, welcome back to another YouTube video. This is my last video for 2023. I'll only be making another video next year, and it's actually only in about 2 or 3 weeks. Well, let's say 2 weeks, then it is 2024. In this video today, I'm going to run through why I stopped trading about a week ago. So the last 3 weeks of the year, I usually do not trade. So I'm going to share why I do that. And I'm also going to share some goals for the upcoming year, for 2024, that I have for myself. And I also want to share why it's super important for you guys to also set goals for the upcoming year. So let's get right into it. The reason I am done trading for the rest of the year is basically because the market, with the strategy that I trade, tends to become much more range bound in December. So in December, throughout my back testing and throughout my past year trading, or the past 2 years trading the strategy, I've just realized that mostly December is either a losing month or a negative month, or it's just a range bound month. There's a lot of impulses in the market that takes place, but they are basically just impulses that give you false hope. They impulse, and then the pair basically just reverses again. Like you'll see on all the Japanese pairs the past week, there's been so many impulses, but the trend doesn't really have that momentum to continue. At the end of the impulses, there's a lot of warning signs to stay out of the market. I also use the time that I'm not trading for that last 2-3 weeks of the year in December, basically just to reflect on the past year, just go through lessons I've learned and just go through all the months, the percentages that I made, some months that are negative months, also go through that, and just update all my journals and all my backtesting catalogs and all that kinds of stuff. So I use this time to just basically update all of that, and it also gives me more time to basically backtest a bit more, just to go through the past year. So I've actually, this is the first year I'm doing this, but I just want to backtest all the pairs that I traded this year, and just to see if I would have made the same percentage, because, live trading and when you backtest is a bit different because there's no emotion involved when you're backtesting. So I'm just going through all those trades just to see where I messed up, where I can improve. And that's the thing, if you treat trading like a business, it's going to pay you like a business. So I'm just going through that. And I also want to use this time just to relax a bit, just to chill and just to get my mind ready for 2024, because I feel like 2024 is really going to be a massive year in the markets. I also just want to share a few of my goals for 2024 with you guys, basically just trading goals. I'm not going to share, I have a lot of other goals, like fitness goals, relationship goals, and all that kinds of stuff, but I'm just going to share some of my trading goals with you guys. So here are a few of my goals for 2024. The first one is to improve my psychology when I'm trading. So I just want to spend more time reading books and just improving my psychology, investing more in personal development and just focus on that area, because I feel like I've been lacking in it. Even though I feel like my psychology's improved a lot over the past year, I just feel like I want to spend more time to work on it a bit more, because trading is very emotional. So that is a major thing that I want to improve in the next coming year. Another massive goal of mine in 2024 is to achieve $1 million in funding with prop firms. So that is a massive goal of mine, and I believe I can achieve it, but I do know that it is going to be difficult and there's going to be many ups and downs. But in 2024, I feel like it is the year that I must go for something big, and that is to go for that $1 million in prop firm funding. So I want to take you guys on that journey with me on my YouTube channel, of course, to show you which challenges I pass, so that you guys can just see at the end of the year in 2024, if I do achieve it, which I believe I can, then you guys will be on this journey with me to show you guys that anybody can really achieve it. Okay, so the next goal is to increase my personal account as well, just to push up the funding of my personal trading account. And that is something massive that I'm going to do with the funding that I get. All the profits I'm going to earn, I'm basically going to try and put it into my personal account. Probably not everything, but I'm definitely going to put more than 60 to 70% of all the profits I earn into my own personal trading account, because I just feel it's super important to build up your own account. Because as soon as you have your own account, you can then start compounding your profits, where with a prop firm, you cannot really compound your profits, because with prop firms, you basically have a period to withdraw the profits that you earn. If it's weekly or bi-weekly or monthly, you have to withdraw those profits. Where if you have your personal account, you can then start compounding your profits. Because the thing is, with compounding your account, your profits just increase if you keep your risk level exactly the same. For example, if you're risking 1% every single time, if you're risking 1% on $100,000 and you build your account up to, let's say, $120,000, your 1% becomes more. But if you lose, your 1% also becomes less. So that's the power of compounding. So that's a massive goal of mine, just to get more money in my personal account. Okay, my next goal is not trading related, but it is for this YouTube channel. My goal is to reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2024. I believe it will happen. I just feel like I have to stay consistent. And I just want to say thank you to everybody so far. My channel has been live for about 3 months now, and we're already almost on 500 subscribers. So I'm really grateful. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please like and subscribe. It's just going to help me on my channel. This is probably my last goal, and that is to go on an international vacation this upcoming year, maybe to some place tropical like Bali or Thailand or wherever with my wife. And then I'm also going to vlog it and share it on my channel and just show everybody that you can actually travel and trade. I'm not saying I'm going to be full-time traveling and trading, but what I'm saying is just to share like a vlog to see if it's possible, or to show you guys that it's possible that you can trade from anywhere in the world. So those are my goals for 2024. I wanted to share it with everybody on my channel publicly so that I can keep myself accountable, but also so that you can set goals for yourself. Because if you do not set goals, you're literally going aimlessly through life, and that's so important to set some goals, because if you're not aiming at a target, you're not going to hit that target. And that's what most people in the world are doing. So I don't want you to wait until January, let's say the second week in January, to set your goals. You must commit now before 2024 to sit down for an hour and write down all your goals, personal goals, financial goals, trading goals, relationship goals, fitness goals. Because if you do not set goals, you're not going to achieve it. And at the end of 2024, you're going to be so grateful that some of those goals you are definitely going to tick off. And that's happened to me so many times. I've set goals and then I just go back and I look at the goals I set for the year and I'm like, I can't believe it, I achieved that. And so sometimes you forget about the goals you set, but you're putting it down on paper and it's in your subconscious mind. So indirectly, even though you don't know it, you're working towards achieving those goals because it's something that you truly desire and you put it down on paper. So guys, until 2024, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for the support so far. I truly appreciate it. Remember to like and subscribe, and have a great Christmas and a happy new year. See you guys next year.